Let's talk about cancellation of removal, one of the few defenses that can actually stop a deportation. Cancellation of removal is a form of relief that, if granted, lets you stay in the U.S. and get a green card. But it's not easy. You have to prove, one, that you've been in the U.S. continuously for at least 10 years. Two, you have good moral character. And finally, and most importantly, you can show that your deportation would cause exceptional and extremely unusual hardship to a U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse, parent, or child. If you're in removal proceedings, this could be a lifeline, but the evidence has to be strong and every case is different. That's why having the right legal guidance is critical, because cancellation of removal is often the difference between being forced out of the U.S. or building your life here permanently.